Okay, so Billie Eilish's Ocean Eyes, the chords in this are C and then a D suspended. D suspended is, it's a D, but you're leaving off the bottom finger there, maybe the pinky finger if you play it the way I play it. There's a D suspended, look it up, and then an E minor. An E minor, everyone knows, a little steppy chord right there. Okay, so there's an E minor. And the other chord in there is a G, back to C. And that repeats. Okay, so the focus of this tutorial is more the strum pattern. We're going to add one more strum to our strum collection. So let's give it a whirl. So it looks like this. Okay, so it's slowed down. It's like this: down, up, down, and then there's a little pause, and you go up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so I'll do it one more time on the C to the D minor to the E minor. Okay, so it's a down, up, down, pause, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, I'm going to play it slowly, and you follow along. I won't talk the strum through, so you can just listen to it. Here it goes. So that second part where you're doing the G, it does the down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I think I got that right. Is that right? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So work on that. Go back and watch it, and just remember it's just down, up, down. Pause, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the pace that we're going to do is going to sound like this. Okay, so there's the strum. We'll put the song together, but come to the next practice giving that strum a good attempt, and we'll put it all together with the group on our next practice. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.